items that Dollar Tree has. We gonna jump into this. 1, 2, 3. You feel me? Okay, we gonna do the thing like a chicken wing. Let's go. All right, honey, have you guys seen these cosmetic bags? These are $1.25. They come in 3 different colors. They have the pink, the purple, and a green. And you know green is my thing like a chicken wing. The tattoo stamp pen, this is a heart shape, okay? They transfer proof, and then they also have like a flower right here. This is $1.25. Then they also have the butterfly, black star, honey, black everything, okay? They also have the crystal lip gloss over here from LA Colors. This is Fearless Pink, and then they also have the Lilac Fantasy. This is $1.25. Another new item that Dollar Tree has is these headbands right here that comes in different colors. So they have this pink, they also have this white, they also have the green. Ooh, the green, I like the green. Honey, with the limes, is these limes or orange? Honey, I think those limes, okay? $1.25. One thing I'm gonna say when it comes to the hair accessories, Dollar Tree is definitely delivering, okay? And that's word to the mother and the brother. Look at these claw clips with the strawberries. These are cute. And then they also have the lemons, and then they also have the oranges right here. I like these. Okay, so new item that Dollar Tree is currently selling. Honey, they are selling shakers, okay? So great for catering, parties, and special occasions. This is for the ones who be making the mocktails, okay? The cocktails, all right? These are $1.25. Okay, so to the fathers out there, Dollar Tree has this amazing, to the children out there, I should say. Dollar Tree has this amazing picture frame for your fathers, okay? To the dads out there, they have 4 slides. This is so cool. $1.25. Now Dollar Tree also have they Father's Day cards, World's Best Dad, Happy Father's Day. And honey, when I tell you these things are huge, they not called jumbo for nothing. They are literally huge. And then they also have the big envelopes over here. These are $3. Absolutely love this. All right, my loves. So Dollar Tree has the decorative balloons right here. Hooray, way to go. Congrats. Now, this is 4.4 feet, $3. And this is the way it looks. Ooh, child, fancy. When I tell you Dollar Tree is out here delivering for you and me. They also have the grad squad just getting started. I know that's right, honey. Now, this is a yard sign, okay? On the bland side to me, but honey, I guess you know that'll do for some of you, okay? They also have the plastic table covers over here, rectangle. These are $1.25. The photo props. Ooh, this is so cool. I absolutely love this. This reminds me of my graduation when I graduated. Honey, I graduated 2003 from high school, okay? And I remember I was pregnant with my oldest son, all right, honey, and I still graduated. So let me tell you something. No matter where you are in life, do understand, do not allow anything to stop you from achieving your goals that you set out for yourself. Now, this is a 7-piece photo prop. They also have these wands over here. Really cool. Class dismissed. And it looked like it's about 4 wands. Absolutely love this. $1.25. They also have the wishing tags. Ooh, graduation wishes. Dear such and such, advice and well wishes with love. Oh, I love this. This is really cool, especially for the teachers getting this for the students. I absolutely love that. They also have the party poppers. These are $1.25. Get into it, girls. And then they also have the 6-piece 3, and these are bubbles. Okay. Peace, family. Peace. I missed you guys, okay? Honey, yesterday I was tired, okay? But honey, we back in a flush today. And I am at the Dollar Tree in the place to be. I am Dina, your fabulous MC. We gonna go inside the Dollar Tree and see if they gonna have us move our feet to the beat out in these streets. Let's see if they have anything new. Let's go inside. Oh, message for today is you are not a dummy. You are not slow. You are not a reject. Okay? God did not create any of those things. You are phenomenal. You are beautiful. You are amazing. You are brilliant. You are smart. You are a creator. Absolutely wonderful. Let's go inside. If you are looking for some gnomes, honey, this is the first time I'm seeing these gnomes for the 4th of July, okay? Maybe I just bypassed them. These are cute. I always say this. Wherever there's a Dollar Tree, honey, you could assure that there's a gnome. These are $1.25. They are so cute. Absolutely love this. Honey, they got the gnome with the stars. They also have the shorty doo-wop gnome, okay? Look at the head. Fancy, pantsy, mancy. Absolutely love these. Now, if you are looking for a plastic table cover, especially for the 4th of July, Dollar Tree is definitely in a place to be. They have these plastic covered tables for $1.25. They also have these banners over here that says Happy 4th of July, $1.25. Table decorations. Oh, honey, this is giving me fancier to McFanciest. Now, these stars, they are $1.25. They come in 3 different colors. They have the silver right here. They also have the red and also the blue. Honey, Dollar Tree is showing out for me and you. They also have the 4 foam wands that says USA, confetti, wave fringe curtains. These always put me in the mind of when I was a kid. My aunt, she used to have these beads like they was curtains, and I would go through them and twist them and stuff like that, right? They were so cool. Some of you guys may remember that, like the wooden beads, curtains, really cool. They also have the door banners over here. These are $1.25. I know that's right. And then they also have the fringe backdrop. This is really cool. If you are having a barbecue, honey, make sure you send me an invite. Okay, boo? Really nice. Now, Dollar Tree also had 2 bandanas. They have different designs. So they have this one. All right. Oh, this is nice. I like it. And then they also have this 2 bandanas as well. These are cute. And then they also have these with the stars. Really nice. Cool. Now, Dollar Tree also have the vacuum cleaners for the car. These are $5. Strong suction, high power, ergonomic design. Honey, don't get me lying. Okay, and this is from Winner's Choice. They also have the steering wheel tray. These are $5 as well. This is good for my folks that's doing the mukbangs, or if you eat in your car on lunchtime. This is really good. 2 ways to use it. You can watch movies, you can attend meetings, okay, if that's what you want to do. And then they also have the food over here. You can use it as a food tray. Now, if you are into comic books, or if your children are into comic books, Dollar Tree is definitely in a place to be. They have the DC comic books, okay, Dawn of DC Titans, okay, Justice League, Last Ride, Superman, Batman, and Wonder Woman, okay, ooh, Superman, Wonder Woman, and then Teen Titans. Oh my goodness, honey, Teen Titans is so old, okay, Aquaman. So when you come to Dollar Tree, if you are into comic books or your children, okay, make sure you go through this, because you'll notice that they have different ones all in the back. All right, Dawn of DC Titans. They also have Robin, Son of Batman. Let me see, Justice League International. So they have all different ones. Okay, so again, your children into comic books, honey, this is the place to be. Tier 1 Advanced Power Strips. These energy saving smart power bars. They are $1.25. Now, if you was to go to Walmart, you are going to be paying way more than $1.25 for these. So if you need any power strips, make sure you guys check at Dollar Tree. License plate frames. These are $1.25. They come in different colors. They have the silver, they also have the pink, and then they also have the black. Now, with this black one, this one is $5, and the reason being is because, honey, it has the screw covers. Okay, these two, they do not. Right, so it's all according to, you know, if you really a fancy girl, you're gonna go with the $5 one. But if you like, girl, I just want something, you know, with a little spazzle dazzle, then I say, honey, you can go ahead and get this. This is $1.25, darling. If you ever in Dollar Tree and you come across this very soft clean care body wash, when I tell you this smells so good, it smells so good. I remember when Dollar Tree had first put this out, they sold so quick. All right, 0% parabens, silicone. Okay, $1.25. And look at this big thing. This thing is huge, honey. This will last you for probably a few weeks. Well, maybe longer than a few weeks. Okay, in your case. All right, but this is really good. So if you guys are still on the lookout for the Heritage mirror, Dollar Tree is still selling a Heritage mirror. As you can see, honey, they have a few of these, and these are $1.25. Now, I know some of you guys said that they sell these at Walmart, and I think they like $13 if I'm not mistaken. Okay, honey, correct me in the comments, all right? But at Dollar Tree, they're $1.25. Now, other items that Dollar Tree has is the regular tampons with organic cotton with BPA-free applicators. You get 18 of these for $5. They have different ones, regular, super, and then they also have the multi-pack tampons. 6 light, 6 regular, 6 super. I absolutely love how they have the 6 different ones. Although I don't use tampons, honey, I'm a pad type of gal, okay? But this is really good because each stage of your menstrual, okay, you can switch it up, and these are $5. All right, family, so one of the items that I had got was this cleaning lemon pinelin. I don't know how you pronounce this shit. Don't give me the line. But this was good for $1.25. Deep cleans, tough on grease, deodorizes surfaces, long lasting scent. $1.25. I gotta mop my floors. I also have to get some wax. I get some wax one day this week so I could wax the floors, because the floors just don't hit, you know, if they not waxed, to me, in my opinion. Especially if you have hardwood floors, honey, I have to wax my floors. They need to be shiny, okay? So much so as though you see a reflection, if you know what I mean. Now, my favorite items that Dollar Tree had was those cosmetic bags, and also the LA colors, the stamp pens. Those was cute. I think those are like more so for teenagers. Or honey, if that's what you like, do what your heart desire. All right. Now, with that being said, I catch you good folks on the next one. Keep rocking out, believing in yourself, keep going, keep growing. Until next time, peace.